Her ass out, she going places that you can't. Call up her hoes and told them bring them out to slay. Fall, touch your toes, then I'm throwing 50K. Splash brothers, whoa, we just landed in the bay.
Look at the way that I be pushing in that Hellcat. I was jumping out the gym in Nike Air Max. 3 bad bitches in the coupe sliding down Fairfax. Bitch, I been getting to this money, I can't dare cap.
What up, people? This is your boy SocaL. What I like you to do is read this really quick. Everybody asks about gliders and stuff like that. Just read this from the New York Times. This didn't come from me. And then check out the next 2 clips. So, everybody has questions about gliders in California. There it is right there. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because there's something that I heard, and I'm trying to get it verified, but I'm not too sure yet. But when I went to my mechanic shop, I saw like 15 or 20 gliders sitting at a shop. Now, I know how many he likes to do at one time, and one company bought 15, 20 gliders at one time. And I sat back and I looked and I said, God dang, man, that's an awful lot of gliders. And they're sitting, he don't even have time to even do them right now. And I asked him, I said, bro, I said, why in the heck do you have so many gliders here at one time? And you want to know what he told me? You guys ready for what he told me? I'm not sure you guys are ready for this. But I'm going to just tell you this. If you do want a new glider, you better get it in 2020. Because what he told me was PACCAR, which is Peterbilt and Kenworth, will no longer make gliders in 2021. They will no longer make glider kits in 2021. So a lot of people are buying them all this year. And they're probably buying more trucks than what they really need. But they like the gliders. They like to put the cats in them. You know, so that's what's going on, people. So, does that mean that, hey, it's illegal in 2021? No, that's not what it means. But certain manufacturing companies, they just don't want to be dealing with the government and the bullcrap regulations. And so I guess they just figured, hey, you know what? It's just easier if we just don't make them no more. So, be ready for that, people. 2020, from what I heard, is the last year Peterbilt and Kenworth will make them. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And I know it's a really quick, really fast video, but I just want to put the news out there. So, being said, have a good day, guys. Share this out, hit the like button, subscribe. More stuff is on its way. Better be ready. You know what I always say, if you stay ready, you don't gotta get ready. And here at the SocaL Trucker, we stay ready.
Gym in Nike Air Max. 3 bad bitches in the coupe sliding down Fairfax. Bitch, I been getting to this money, I can't dare cap. Look at the way that I've been shining, diamonds gleaming. Rich nigga, they know my name when I'm at Neiman. Look at the way that I've been ballin' every season. Gotta chase the money, watch the whole team win.
Look at me, bitch. Look at the way I carry myself. Look at the way I'm winning. Look at this liquid around my neck. Look how they shimmer. Look at this strand I'm smoking. Look at this bottle I'm holding. Look at my life. Look how I'm playing to feel like I'm rolling the dice up under casino lights. Luxury automobiles and sports cars with loud pipes. Detachable steering wheels, muscle cars, and scraper bikes. Some of my niggas push pills. Some of them push that cha-cha. Some of them work for a living to make an honest dollar. And here's another thing I thought that you should know. I'll make a hoe stand outside forever like a scarecrow.